Introduce features you looking for and fast overview on RC Welder Dual Voltage 145 amp Reboot ARC145 Mini Stick Arc Welding Machine. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. The device is easy to weld: stainless steel, alloy steel, carbon steel, copper alloy and other non-ferrous metal, even for the first-time welder. IGBT power device with unique control mode makes the device start arc easily, stable welding arc, deep weld pool and beautiful welding shape, perfect for the home day and general repairing work. In addition, IGBT technology makes devices smaller and lighter. This makes it easy to transport so you can weld wherever and whenever you need it. Compact and exquisite MMA welder, made of the heavy-duty stainless steel body, painted with durable paints, ensure its long-serving lifespan. The newly added digital display can accurately show the current data during operation and provide reliable support for your welding operation. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from we described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.